Hey everybody, welcome back to the Steele Hyundai channel. This is Zach, and behind me today we have the 2023 Hyundai Santa Fe. And in this video we're going to do a quick exterior walk around as well as the interior. We're going to talk about some of the features and take it for a little drive. So if you find this video helpful, feel free to give it a thumbs up and subscribe. Alright, starting off under the hood of this 2023 Hyundai Santa Fe Urban, you will have a 2.5 liter turbo GDI engine with a 281 horsepower and 311 pound-feet of torque. With that, for your fuel consumption, you're going to get about 10.6 liters for city, 9.3 for highway, and 10 liters for the combined. Alrighty, the exterior of the 2023 Hyundai Santa Fe Urban. You'll notice that you get another blacked out grille, a cool T-shape that goes through both headlights, and a body colored front bumper. Working our way to the side, you are on 20-inch alloys. You have a side step and body colored door handles. Of course, you have privacy glass in the back. Working our way to the back of the vehicle, more privacy glass as we work our way to the side. You also have indicators on your side mirrors. There you have it. That is the exterior of the 2023 Hyundai Santa Fe Urban. Now let's check out the inside. Just want to take a quick moment to talk about one of my favorite things about the Santa Fe, and that would be the storage space. So as you can see in the back seat, you have 60/40 folding on the second row. When those are folded down, you have well over 2,000 liters of storage space. But that's not it. Over on the side, you get another small compartment. But check this out. When you lift these up, more storage. How cool is that? Alrighty, stepping inside of your 2023 Santa Fe. On the driver's side, you'll notice that you have your window controls, your door locks, and your side mirror controls. You'll notice the driver's seat is adjustable in 8 ways, power adjusted with 2-way lumbar support, perforated leather seating. As we step on into the vehicle, we'll look at the steering wheel. So as you can see, the steering wheel has your media controls as well as your lane keep assist. You have your instrument cluster right there with a digital speedometer in the middle. Your controls for your heated seats, your AC, and your map, navigation, radio, and media, all conveniently located right there. I do love how they have physical buttons. 2 cup holders, one of them can be hidden with your USB Type-C. Decent storage space in the center console. And let's take a look at the driver's side, or the passenger side I should say. As we look into the back seats, you'll notice that it is a 60/40 folding with HVAC vents for your back passengers. And that just about does it for the interior. Now let's take it for a quick little drive and see what it handles like. Alrighty, first impressions behind the wheel of the 2023 Santa Fe Urban. So far so good. I'm on a road that's a little bit bumpier and it's handling them very well. Very quiet inside of the cabin so far. We're going to come up to some train tracks now in a minute, and I'm going to be quiet. We'll see if we can hear any noise from inside the cabin as we go over them. You almost wouldn't even know that they were there. So as we come up to this next turn here, we'll get a sense of the acceleration. I should say that this vehicle comes with 8 driving modes, sport mode being one of them, but we're just going to drive it on comfort for now. Alright, so I got to make this turn here. It's a bit of an uphill. We'll see how the acceleration is. Very nice. Very nice. No problem getting up to speed at all. Overall, this vehicle handles very well. The acceleration is there even for a larger vehicle. And overall, even though it is a bit of a larger vehicle, it handles like a small car. Easy to maneuver. And yeah, that's just about it for me. See me in the next one.